Okay guys, ito ATM tayo, Honda Click version 3. Nagpakabit si sir ng ating package A, which is Icon and PA Auto Style. Demo video ko lang guys yung paano siya ginawa nating setup dito. Siyempre may pass light, tapos low beam. Ayan, stainless bracket na rin yung ginamit natin, Nito tape, tapos Japan Denso relay, Japan wire, Japan fuse box shutter. No cut, no splice. So si sir may dating ADB, naka-combo light. So pinalagyan niya rin ng combo lights. Pero pag stock horn naman, wala naman siya combo lights. Alright? Passing light, low beam nagpa-passing, high beam nagpa-passing. Okay? Okay, loud horn setup, PIAA. Pagka solid lang na PIAA na walang rapid, isa-isang pindot lang. Ayan. Pero pag diniinan mo siya, rapid siya. Okay? Low beam, high beam, nagpa-combo, nagpa-passing. Alright. Sa mga gusto magpa-setup ng ganitong setup wish nyo lang at an Indothai concept. Yan, number 9 CP Garcia, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Alright. Click version 3. Alright. Ayan. Okay.